Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox browser on Nubia Red Magic 7S. And to do this, first let's open our Google Play Store. Here try to find Firefox. Now select it and download it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to open the app. Here you can customize it, so pick a different theme, switch toolbar placement, sign in to turn on synchronization, change the privacy settings. You can also read the privacy notice and finally click on Start Browsing. Here open any website, and as you can see, it works perfectly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.